Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use GUI Ping Monitor. Download it first in sourceforge.net. I will put the link in the description. So, after you download the installer, just double-click the GUI Ping Monitor.exe. Then, just type an IP address or a website in the text field and press enter. I've just typed www.google.com. The application will automatically show ping test results. It will display status of the request, the sequence, and the round-trip time. I will add another websites like facebook.com and stackoverflow.com. We can also enable the alarm button. What it does is that it will notify us when the ping request is not successful. So let us disconnect our internet connection to make the ping request timeout. Just go to Open Network and Internet Setting and click the Change Adapter Settings. Then, right-click and disable the adapter. As soon as the GUI Ping Monitor detects that the connection is lost, it will ring. As you can see, the color of the button before the website turned red. It means that the ping request has failed and it cannot give you update on the connection details. But as long as the connection is regained, it will automatically turn to color green. The GUI Ping Monitor application also allows its users to modify the ping settings. You can modify its delay time, time to leave, and buffer size to name a few. Now, we can our internet connection back and see if the status button becomes green again. So let us go back to network connection and internet settings, go to Ethernet and choose Change Adapter Setting. Then, enable the adapter. Let us close some windows to see our GUI Ping Monitor application. So, it becomes green. And it started getting ping status again. So, that's how you can use a GUI in making ping request. It is very useful tool especially for network enthusiasts and other fields that involves computer networking. Thanks.